Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel of Inspiring Trader. I'm Faiz Minar. I'm a full-time trader and a trainer. We are going to discuss something about very important topic over here, guys. Imagine you have finished learning about technical analysis. Other than technical analysis and other than strategies, we are going to discuss, which is very important. For example, how to open Demat account, how to verify yourself, how to deposit funds, how to withdraw the funds, and all other parts are super important. So what are those parts? How to protect your capital, how many percentage of risk you have to take, how to calculate the risk, how to decide how many quantities we have to take. That matters a lot. If you take random quantities, you'll be in a big trouble. Yes or no? We all know about it. So I've discussed about Exness broker, which we all use that broker. I'm not sponsoring that Exness broker, but I'm using and it's user friendly. I'll be discussing about how to buy and sell. It means how to execute our trades, how to set our stop loss and target, how to modify it, how to exit it. All those things I have discussed. And then I have also discussed about how to protect our capital, how many percentage of risk we have to take. And then I have discussed about the stock price and currency price, because once you know the price difference, you will understand what is called pips. I have discussed in depth. Don't miss out any part of this series. So what is called pips, how to calculate pips, within 5-10 seconds. So you don't need to have that manual calculation. There is a website, you just go and enter and you will come to know how many quantities you have to buy based on that calculation. So I have explained all those things in this series. So it took a little bit long time because I wanted to share this in depth, and especially I'm sharing this knowledge to the public. This is the end part of my course, but I thought of sharing these videos, these knowledge to all the subscribers, all the YouTube subscribers. So I want you guys to hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment box what are the things which you have learned, and do subscribe this channel if you have not. Hit the notification button because I'm going to come up with so many other educational videos. So don't miss out. Let me not waste your time. Let me dive into the content. This is Exness.com website. First, what you have to do, the basic thing is click open account, and then so here we have to register. So I'll be doing a registration of one of my students right now. He's from Dubai, United. Yes, you can see here. Then I will click and his email address, and for now I'll give a password, which is the standard password, say. So now what I will do, I'll click continue. So this is the page which you can see over here. For me to get a real account, I have to verify. We'll be talking about demo account and also about real account. This is how you can see the dashboard. Right click and this Exness terminal. This is the dashboard where you will start executing your trades. But before that, let me explain few things about verification and all, in case if you have not verified, how to verify. So click this traders area. So you'll be able to see this page. Okay. So if you want to verify, you just go and click this complete verification. This page will open, verify email. You will get code to your email. Just type it. And then next thing what you have to verify is your phone and personal information. In personal information, they will ask your ID card, residential ID, say passport, and bank statements and all. So whatever the documents which you have, you can just submit, and it will take some 24 hours. Sometimes they are very quick. They verify within 1 hour also. So once you verify, then you will be able to add funds. Now what I want you guys to focus is that, let me go to traders area again. I want to show you a few more things. All right. Now imagine even before your verification, you can start trading in demo account. Here you can see my accounts, and in this you can see real and demo. See demo. So it means you already have one account of demo over here. If you want to create one more demo account, what you have to do, here on right hand side, you can see open new account. Click this. For now, don't focus on other option. Just click open real account. All right, now we want demo account. So demo and MT5, we require MT5. So what is MT5? I will be discussing about this little bit later. And leverage and all, for now, just let it be the same as it is. Starting balance, you can choose the balance. Demo account, say 5,000. Standard, create password. Better you give a password which you gave initially when you registered in Exness. So I'll be giving the same password. All right. So create account. All right. Now you can see account is pending. and it takes hardly 5 seconds or 2 seconds for it to get activated. Now it is activated. See, once you register in Exness account, you can have multiple accounts under Exness. So what are the account number you can see here? See, this is one account which we just opened, demo account, and this is the by default there was one account. Okay, you can create one more demo account if you want, like open new account, you can do that. And if you want a real account, once you verify, then you can open new account over here also. Now, if you have not verified, there will be a very limited amount you can add, your fund. So I don't want to discuss about that. It's better when you start in real account, it's better you verify yourself first, then you can start trading in real account. And if you want to deposit funds now, how we can add funds, we'll check it. Traders area. Okay, on left hand side you can see something called deposit. You can just click that deposit and you can see all the options, bank card. There will be other options also once you verify. So this is just to show you that where you can deposit and all. On left hand side you can see this is deposit. So here you can see verification required, isn't it? Once you verify, then you can use bank card. Some other net banking is also there. So withdrawal, what you can do, click this left hand side again, come here, click withdrawal. See, you can see some other bank withdrawal also once you verify. So you can just type and withdraw. It's very easy, I believe. All right. And this chart, you can see here this icon. This means what? Tomorrow at this time, there is a news of unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls news. You'll be able to identify here itself. So you don't need to go and check in Exness market news. So now we are discussing about demo account. What you have to do is click this right side at the top, click this. You can click Exness terminal. So why are we clicking that? Over there you can start executing your trades. Okay, now you can see something called demo over here. Now this is the default account which was there when we opened. The account which we opened, demo account, is here. See, 5,000. So you can click that. So that account will open over here. Okay, all right. Now imagine I want to buy something. Now about pips and how much quantities we have to add, what is the lot size we have to choose, that we will discuss a little bit later. Right now I will show you just buy and sell, how to execute over here. Okay, imagine, let's assume that you're going to buy. Okay, so what you can do here, there is something called lots. See, at this right hand side you can see lots. So what is lot, we will discuss a little bit later. But say I want to buy 0.01 lots of GBP USD at market price. Now market price means the current price, whatever the current price GBP USD has. So we all learned how to open trading view and read the charts, right? Like to know the price. Also in Exness you can see the charts over here, but we are not going to analyze charts through Exness. We will be analyzing in trading view and only for execution, like buy or sell, we will be coming over here to buy. Okay. All right, so imagine I'm going to buy 0.01 at market price, the current price. I can just buy. So my trade got executed over here. See, open position GBP USD. What is the lot size which I have added? 0.01. Now the price which I bought is 1.24478. Current price is, you can see over here. Now we can add target and stop loss. So the continuation of the GBP USD got deleted. So I'm recording this new one. And when I was recording, the market was closed. So I'll be showing you how to execute through this BTC. BTC is 24/7, right? And there is one disclaimer. If you are living in Qatar, I would not recommend you to trade in cryptocurrencies. Take your own responsibility of being blocked. Any other country which is not allowing you to trade in crypto, I would advise you not to trade, because forex market is massive. You can trade in forex market and make money, so you don't have to chase crypto. Anyway, I'm showing you this is because to show you the execution part. So BTC is here. Now say I'm executing some one lot itself. Okay, you can type 1 or you can also type 0.50. So I'll just buy. Now my position is open over here. You can see position opened. And open position over here, you can see this, right? Open, pending, closed. Now in pending and in closed, I don't have anything. And this is the open position BTC. You can see 0.50 And if I want to set my stop loss and target, how can I do it? You can come to this area, you can see here, right, something, a mark of pen. Yeah, so click this. Now let's say my stop loss is to 26,000, just, yeah, 26,000. Now we can do what? We can just click this modify order. It means I placed my stop loss and target. Now either side it will get hit. If our trade goes right, it will hit the target. If our trade goes wrong, our stop loss will get hit. So this is how you can set your target and stop loss. Even though I set my stop loss and target, I just want to exit. You can just click this, this area. Click this, it will get closed. So you can see here the closed position BTC. I'm in a loss of $15. I believe by now you have understood how to execute, and we can also execute in MT5 or MT4. Imagine this is Exness and you have to connect it to MT5. Now what is called MT5, how to take trade in MT5, I will show you. So whatever the fund which you add over here, imagine you added fund $500 in Exness. When you connect it to MT5, the same fund will reflect in MT5 also. So how to connect MT5 from Exness to MT5, we are going to discuss about that also. And most professional traders all over the world, they execute trades in MT5 or MT4. It means you are connecting your Demat account to MT5. Now what I will do, this account, I have to connect this account to MT5. How to do it? Alright, so what I will do, I'll just click at this area, click traders area. Now I want this accounts, this demo accounts information, and you need that accounts information. Okay, there is something called accounts information. We have to get that accounts information for us to connect this account to MT5. Now these days I don't trade in Exness. Why? Because I've been trading in funded account itself. You all know if you're following my channel. All right, anyway, now go to this area. Can you see this setting? Click that and you can see this account information. Okay, click that account information. And three things are important for us to connect it to MT5. What are they? Number one, this server. Number two is MT5 login. And number three is, it's not there over here. Number third one is the password which you have given while you log in this Exness account. So this information I'm going to add in MT5. I'll be recording it in my phone. So stay tuned.